In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta Business Suite for Instagram. We'll walk through the basics step by step so you can manage your Instagram messages, comments, and posts from one central place. First, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. You can get there by going to the Meta Business Suite homepage and signing into the Facebook account that manages your business. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which shows an overview of your pages and activity. Before you do anything else, make sure your Instagram account is properly connected. This is crucial because if it's not connected, you won't be able to see or manage your Instagram messages or comments here. Look for the section where your connected accounts are listed. If Instagram isn't showing, use the option to connect an Instagram account, then follow the prompts to log in and authorize access. Once that's done, you're ready to manage everything in one place. Now let's look at your messages. On the left-hand side, find and click on Inbox. This is your central hub for communication. Inside the inbox, you'll see different channels like Facebook messages and Instagram. To manage your Instagram direct messages specifically, click on Instagram in the inbox menu. Here, you'll see your Instagram DM conversations listed, just like an email inbox. You can click into any conversation to read messages, reply, add notes for your team, or mark conversations as done. This makes it much easier to stay on top of customer inquiries without constantly switching between apps. Next, you can also manage your Instagram comments from the same area. In the inbox, look for the Instagram comments section and click on it. This will pull in comments from your Instagram posts so you can respond quickly, hide or delete spam if needed, and keep track of any important customer feedback. Handling comments here is especially helpful if you get a lot of engagement and don't want to miss anything. If at any point you want to go back to the main overview, click on Home. That takes you back to the main dashboard of Meta Business Suite, where you can see insights, notifications, and other tools. From the Home dashboard, you can create new content. Click on Create Post. Depending on what Meta offers in your view, you might also see options to create a reel or a story. Choose what you want to publish. When the Composer opens, look at the section where you choose where the post will be published. Open the drop-down and you'll see options for Facebook and Instagram. You can choose to post to both platforms at the same time or switch it so it only goes to Instagram. This flexibility is powerful. It lets you tailor your content strategy, either cross-posting for efficiency or focusing on Instagram only when that makes more sense. Once you've written your caption, added your media, and chosen where it will publish, you can either post immediately or schedule it for later. And that's how you use Meta Business Suite to manage